If you find that some of your pictures are too dark or so bright that they appear washed out, the exposure controls in Aperture let you fix them easily. This tutorial will help you understand the histogram and how to use the advanced tonal adjustments of the exposure controls. A well-exposed image shows a good distribution of tones from the left side of the histogram, the shadows, to the right side of the histogram, the highlights. If an image is underexposed, there will be more data to the left, and if an image is overexposed, like this one, there will be more data to the right. By moving the exposure slider to the left, you can quickly bring the exposure under control. The recovery slider helps you restore lost detail in the highlight areas of a RAW file. The black point slider lets you adjust the shadows and lower midtones. In the histogram, you'll see the data getting pushed down into the darker shadow areas, but your brightest highlights are preserved. The brightness slider adjusts the midtones in your image, without affecting the highlights and the shadows. Now the histogram shows tones spread across a broader range. These simple adjustments can dramatically improve the contrast in your image, and the color saturation is also enhanced. With some photos, you might want to adjust exposure selectively, brightening one part of the image and darkening other parts. You can use the dodge brush to lighten certain parts of the image. Then use the burn brush to darken other parts. With the exposure controls in Aperture, you can easily brighten or darken your images to look their best.